Hi there, boys and girls, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. Today we will be discussing the independent practice solutions to the perfect squares lesson. Remember that you can pause or rewind this video as necessary to help you understand the problems. Let's dive on in. Independent practice number 1. Find the square of the number. A. 6 squared. B. 3 squared. C. 12 squared. Now is a good time to pause this video and work on this problem if you have not done so already. Let's start with part A. Remember that 6 squared, or 6 to the second power, is 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36, so 6 squared is 36. Now let's look at B. 3 squared equals 3 times 3. So 3 squared equals 9. And part C. 12 squared equals 12 times 12. So 12 squared is 144. Independent practice number 2. Determine if the number is a perfect square. A. 55. B. 64. Now is a good time to pause the video and work on this problem if you have not done so already. We need to start by making a list of perfect squares. We will keep going until we either hit the number 55 or we pass the number 55. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64. We've passed 55, so we're done. No whole number squared equals 55, so 55 is not a perfect square. Now let's take a look at part B, 64. We can use the same list of perfect squares that we created for part A. 8 squared equals 64. This tells us that 64 is a perfect square. Independent practice number 3. The Splash-A-Lot Water Park wants to put in a square water castle with a swimming pool moat around it. The water castle is a 5-foot by 5-foot square. The swimming pool extends 6 feet past the edge of the castle in each direction. What is the area of the swimming pool? Now is a good time to pause the video and work on this problem if you have not done so already. We need to start by using the information in the problem to find the dimensions of the large square. We know that the smaller square has 5-foot sides, and we add 6 feet of water on each side of that to find a total of 17-foot sides for the larger square. Next, we need to know that the area of a square is the side lengths squared. So the total area of the large square is 17 squared, which is 289 square feet. If we find the area of the castle, which is 5 squared, we find that the answer is 25 square feet. Now to find the total area of the pool, we subtract the total area of the large square minus the area of the small square, or the castle, inside of it. So we find that the area of the pool is 264 square feet. Remember that you can pause and rewind this video as many times as necessary until you understand the process. Thanks for watching this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'll see you next time.